Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to turn off typing sound on iPhone. So first you can see the typing sound. We will turn off this. So go to settings and tap on sound and haptics. Scroll down all the way and here you can find keyboard feedback. Tap on it and you can turn off from here keyboard sound and haptic. So this is turned off. So let's check again. As you can see, there is no sound of keyboard. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel to get more videos like this.